What's going on? My name is Kyle. Here is aka Racer Knight 99, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna do another reaction video today. So today we're gonna react to Angry Grandpa, the ceiling fan Piñata prank. So it's created from the Angry Grandpa show, by the way. So it uploaded back in 2015, by the way. Man, great memories, by the way. So anyway, so it's a 3-minute video. Let's check this out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, play. Check it out.
Do you not trust me at all? No. Well, then that's your problem. Trust me, I've done my research, and it's going to be hanging right here, Dad. Look at this.
Alrighty.
Can you miss that? Oh, no, ain't no way I can miss that, sir. I'll have to come to your mom. I guess. So we get it right here. All you got to do is make sure you don't go for the windows or pictures on the wall and stuff. How in the hell? You gotta question everything. It ain't not that right!
Oh my gosh!
Because you don't have any freaking low-hanging branches. Let's just do it. Come on. Well, hold on. I'll hang it just a second there. You have the twine so we can hang it up from there, Bridget?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna use one of the blindfold one? Yeah.
Well, do yourself then!
Oh my gosh, calm down, Michael.
Cover your eyes.
Oh, there's the Batman mask. Oh yeah, Angry Grandpa's wearing the Batman sweatshirt. That was pretty cool, by the way. Did he got it? Alright, good job. Okay. Now he's gonna put a Batman mask on.
Don't swing yet, for God's sake, or swing yet!
Oh.
Hold on, I'm still hanging it.
Oh my gosh, whoa. Be careful.
I'm hanging it. I don't know where you're hanging it, so go ahead. I got you.
Alrighty.
Okay. Hey, I'm getting dizzy! Already? It's been 2 spins! Where the fuck is Robin? Oh, I can't go.
Where the frick is Robin?
Let me get out of the way.
That's a very cool Batman sweatshirt that Angry Grandpa's wearing. Yep, wearing the Batman mask too. Oh.
Too low, higher.
Higher. Oh.
Higher.
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 Oh boy. Oh. Oh my god! There goes the ceiling fan light! Oh boy. Oh, he's gonna be super angry at Michael. Oh no! Run, Michael, run!
I'm sorry.
Oh boy. I love it, he talks so fast. Oh, not the fan! It's destroyed now! Oh my god!
What is wrong with you? Don't you know that?
Oh my gosh!
Okay. I'm sorry.
He's gonna keep destroying that. It's destroyed.
You should have never trusted me to do a freaking piñata in this room anyway. Where I got your piñata? Down there.
There it is, right there.
No.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Stop.
Oh!
I'm sorry. You've been pranking me.
Oh,
so
he's
much
gonna be
that
angry.
I wanted to freaking get you for what?
Oh my gosh!
Bridget, get him off me.
Oh! Oh, there goes the camera.
Help, Bridget. Dude, I'm not coming back. I won't come back.
I gotta love the part when Michael was yelling and screaming at Angry Grandpa. That makes me laugh.
Goodbye. Great, man. I'll be back. No, you won't. Yes, I will be back. I'll get a restraining order.
And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta say, that was pretty good, by the way. Angry Grandpa got pretty mad at Michael because Angry Grandpa destroys his ceiling fan because they did the Piñata one. I gotta say, oh man, Angry Grandpa got pretty angry at Michael, and then I gotta love the part when Michael was screaming at Angry Grandpa. That makes me laugh so hard. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, hit the like and subscribe button and click the bell notification turned on. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. See you guys next time and have a fantastic, awesome day.